Introducing the DS-1630 Flatbed Color Document Scanner from Epson. Ideal for scanning when you need the flexibility to quickly scan bound materials or stacks of documents. A 50-page auto document feeder with auto duplex scanning makes it easy to scan stacks of documents. Scan a variety of sizes, from photo IDs to passports and certificates. Twain and ISIS drivers come included for seamless compatibility with existing software. Scan directly to Dropbox, SharePoint, FileBound, Google Drive, Evernote, and more to easily scan and share important documents. Create searchable and editable files with Epson Document Capture and the included OCR applications. Use auto crop, skew correction, and color enhancement on any scan for clear text and images. Share the scanner with multiple users across the network using the optional Network Interface Unit. Streamline workflows and increase productivity with the new versatile DS-1630 document scanner. Only from Epson. Epson, exceed your vision.